Hello students, I welcome you all for this webinar session. Our topic's name is Fruitful Career Through Campus Placements and GATE. So majority of you, I know as per the registration, majority of you are from engineering colleges, maybe from third years, final years, second year are also there. So this particular seminar we will be discussing about various career aspects through GATE examination, and for getting campus placement, what are we supposed to do? Okay, so this will be a 1 hour session, and by the end of the session, if you have any questions to ask to me, you can raise the question through your chat box. I will be answering that. Okay, so all the questions you can hold up to the end of the session. It will be of 1 hour. Fine. So I'm changing my screen to my green board so that I can explain something. Fine. If I ask you why you have joined for a professional course, maybe it is engineering or maybe MSc computer science or a MCA, if I ask you why you have joined for that particular course, majority of you will tell the answer that, sir, it is very easy for getting a job if you do a professional course, whether it is any engineering course or if it is a MCA course, whatever the case may be, it is very easy for getting, or it is very high chances are there, salary is very high, so we will be getting job very easily, like that we will be telling. Have you ever thought whether the scenario, whatever you are thinking, whether that scenario is same as the current situation? It is not. Every other day we are seeing that many of our engineering graduates are not getting job. Even every other day one troll is coming in social media that engineering graduates are not getting job. Have you ever thought why engineering graduates or professional engineers are not getting job nowadays? It's a very serious issue. If you have already thought about it, it's well and good. I will, based on my experience, last 15 years I am seeing various engineering students, I am giving training for them. From my experience, I have concluded that this is the problem. This is because why they are not getting job, it's because of these reasons. I will explain why we are not getting, why engineers are not getting job. Okay, so 4 years of our engineering studies, so we are busy with shaping our studies, academics. We are always concentrating on Cgpa, and at the end of the 4 year you may be having a engineering degree in your hand. Okay, I'll just represent it as a cake. Okay, there is a cake in your hand. Okay, and that is a core part, but as it is, that cake may not have much value. Okay, many a times our students are forgetting to decorate that one, to decorate that cake. You got a very nice cake. Okay, maybe that cake I am meaning like you got 7 Cgpa or 8 Cgpa or 9 Cgpa, it's excellent studies. Okay, all mark wise, academic wise, everything is good, but companies are looking for some other things. That some other things I am meaning it as decoration. Okay, so can you think about that what is this this sir is telling about decoration? What can be that decoration things, okay, for getting a job from the campus? Okay, so you can think about that. I'll tell. The first decoration you are supposed to do is sharpen your technical skills. Sharpen your technical skills. Okay, you may be studying 50 plus subjects in your engineering studies. Okay, we may not need that all 50 subjects for getting a job from the campus. Maybe 10 or 15 subjects you should be master. Okay, I'll be telling which all are the subjects you should be master and all those things. So, and another second one is your soft skills. Okay, in newspaper and all, we normally hear that some company CEO is telling that nowadays engineering graduates are not having that employability skill. What is that employability skill? That employability skill is this decoration. We are forgetting to decorate our degree with all these skills, technical skills and soft skills. Okay, we will be talking about that a little bit later. Elaborately, we will be talking. Now, coming to another point, how many of you know that in all over India, 90% or more than 90% of the campus recruitments happening. Campus recruitments are happening in many colleges. 90% of our campus recruitments are happening in IT companies. That means it's a huge percentage, 90% or more than that is happening in IT companies. Now, we have a choice that either we can select an IT company and prepare for that and go for it, okay, and otherwise some maybe your 20-30% students may not be liking to go for IT company jobs. Sir, I have studied mechanical engineering or I have studied civil engineering, I am not interested to go for IT company. For them also I will be telling what you are supposed to do. Okay, first we will address this issue. 90% of the campus recruitments are happening in IT company, and if it is so, what am I supposed to do to get a IT company job? Okay, we'll see that first. After that we'll think about engineering branch wise what we are supposed to do. We'll see. Okay, fine. So now see the situation over here. This is the test syllabus, okay, of TCS National Qualifier Test. TCS National Qualifier Test. What's happening is that nowadays all the big recruiters, previously they were supposed to go to only their very important colleges who is there in the radar, okay, and only those colleges they will go, okay, and recruit. But nowadays things have got changed. Okay, all the big recruiters started conducting all India online examination. Okay, they know that some intelligent students are maybe studying in a not much reputed college, so we have to give equal importance or equal chance to all the students. For that reason they started conducting all over India examination or all India examination. Okay, anybody can register, whoever is having a certain Cgpa. Normally it will be like 6 Cgpa or 60%, so they can attend that particular examination, and if they clear, companies will call for interview. That is a procedure. Nowadays every company is shifting to that one. So now with that one they have changed the recruitment policy or recruitment strategy also. Again, recruitment strategy I will tell you, 2-3 years back, maybe up to 2-3 years, maybe up to 2015 or 16 or 17, like that, every company will come to the campus and they will check your general aptitude skill. General aptitude skill means your quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and English. Okay, so I'll just categorize that one. So if campus recruitment is happening, normally they will be checking your technical skills and general aptitude skill. Okay, so first round it will be general aptitude. In general aptitude you will be getting quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and English. Okay, so maybe up to 2018 these companies will come and check about your general aptitude skill. And if this general aptitude skill, if you think what is this general aptitude, it will be your basic 10th standard English and mathematics, nothing else. Up to 10th standard whatever you have learned, that mathematics and English. Okay, they will be conducting that one, and whoever is clearing that one, who will clear that? Now again a fact I want to reveal it over here. Our 100 students are writing this general aptitude. Almost 80% or 80 students will be failing in that one. On an average 20% of the students are only clearing this general aptitude. That is the situation. Frankly I am telling, that is a situation in all over India engineering colleges. That is the situation. Okay, so I have analyzed why this is happening, why our students are failing in the first round itself. Okay, so it's a competitive examination, and if any competitive examination, if you want to clear that competitive examination, two factors are there. What is that? Your speed and accuracy. Okay, and speed and accuracy will come only through practice. What our students will do, maybe another next week company is coming into the campus, our students may be starting preparation maybe three days back or 4 days back, and they'll just brush up because all those time, percentage, distance, all those things I have already learned. No, what is the big deal about it? Okay, that will not work out. You just simply do something maybe 1 or 2 days. If you practice and go and write that examination, simply you will fail. Okay, you need rigorous practice, okay, so that your speed and accuracy will increase. So if speed and accuracy is good, then you can attend more questions, and maybe you can, in that particular time, maybe 1 hour will be given, 60 questions will be there, you may get a 60% mark. If you get 60% mark individually in all the sections, in English, in quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, if you are clearing that 60 or 60 plus percentage, then only you will be clearing that. That is what the situation, maybe up to 2018. Now, so, and majority, and I will always tell that this particular round, general aptitude round, it's not a selection round, it's a rejection round. Companies want to just simply reject many students based on their general aptitude skill because they don't want that many candidates. Okay, so now that is a rejection round, and we are failing because of lack of practice. Okay, so now last 2 years things have got changed. They have added one more round to this first round. Okay, that is your coding round. Till 2018 or something like that, they were not checking your coding skills. They were simply recruiting any branch students, and they were bringing to the company, and they were giving training, and they were giving work for them. Okay, but now the things have got changed. Those who are having fundamental coding knowledge, those students only, even if you are from civil branch or mechanical branch or electrical branch, any other branch, if you have fundamental coding skill only, you will be getting selected. That is the situation. Okay. For revealing that, I'll show this 2 company syllabus. You see here, TCS National Qualifier Test. Okay, TCS National Qualifier Test. You can see the syllabus. English, number of questions, 15 questions and 10 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, 15 questions, 30 minutes. Programming logic. What is this programming logic? This programming logic, coding and all comes under our technical skills. Okay, so programming logic means you don't have to write the program. Okay, they will give you small programs, and they will be expecting you tell the output. Okay, what could be the output of this program? Maybe 10-line program will be there. What could be the output of this particular program? Okay, last year I have observed that last year Wipro around 10 questions they have given. Okay, TCS also around 10 questions they have given, and those who have done at least 5 questions got it correctly, they have got selected in the first round. So again, you can keep it in your mind that any round test, 60% plus mark if you are getting, there is a high chance that you will be clearing that round. So in TCS, you will be having programming logic, and you are having a coding round also. In coding round, one problem will be given to you. That problem you have to analyze. Problem in the sense just a coding problem. So you have to analyze, and you have to solve that particular problem, and you have to code in any of the language. Again, another confusion will come. Sir, computer companies, they may ask, if you have to study n number of languages are there. Java is there, C++ is there, C is there, Python is there. Which one I am supposed to study? Always I am getting this particular question from the students. Sir, which language I am supposed to follow? Okay, so I'll tell you one suggestion, that all the competitive programming, majority of the students are following C++. So you can blindly go with C++. So I believe that all the branch students, they may be studying either C or C++ in their first year or second year, or some point of time in your engineering studies, you are studying that. Okay, so you can very well go ahead with the C or C++. That is more than enough. Don't worry about Java, Python. Many languages are there. We cannot study everything. Okay, so we are supposed to have a logic. With that logic, we are supposed to solve that problem, and with that solved problem, you are supposed to implement that solution in any one particular language. That will be more than enough. Okay, preferably C or C++. That will be giving good advantage to you. Okay, fine. That is the case of TCS. So you observed that English is there, quantitative aptitude is there, programming logic is there, coding is there. Now you see here, Wipro's National Talent Hunt 2020 syllabus. You see here, quantitative aptitude 15 questions, logical 15 questions, English 15 questions, essay writing. What this English essay writing and all, don't take it that much seriously. They just want to check that if an American client or some foreign clients are there, if you are able to communicate with them, okay, writing and talking. Both the thing, if you are able to do little bit well, that's all. You should not be a very hi-fi English speaking skill and all that, and all is much not needed. Okay, basic English writing and speaking skills are needed for this purpose. Okay, so now in Wipro also you are having 2 codes will be given to your in the coding round. Okay, in that, among that 2 codes, those who have cleared at least 1 program. Okay, majority of the program, these basic companies, what I call them is that up to 3.5, 4 lakhs, any company which is giving up to 4 lakhs, they will be telling that this is a basic company. Okay, all these companies, they started giving as 2 kinds of salary. One is up to 3.5 or 4 and another one is 7.58. Okay, those who are having much better coding skill and much better aptitude skill, they are giving 8 lakhs per annum. Even TCS, Wipro, any company, you take any company, they have started this 2 category. Okay, basic category and a higher category. So any kind of student, you have an opportunity. If you are basically good in your basic kind of thing, then you will be getting salary up to 4 lakh, and if you are little bit more good in your programming skill and all, you will be getting 8 lakhs per annum salary. Okay, so you can observe over here, Wipro National Talent 2020 syllabus, coding 2 questions, at least 1 code with all test case passed. And this code, if you see, normally in our lab we will be writing program. Nowadays they are not checking, or you are not supposed to write program in lab and all. Okay, they will be giving in a 2 or 3 problems in HackerRank platform, online coding platform, HackerRank or HackerEarth. Okay, or some companies are having their own platforms. Okay, and in that platform they will be giving you question, and these questions you have to solve. Okay, and language options will be there and you have to submit it. And when you are submitting, they might have already given test cases for testing your solution, and if all the test cases are passing, you will be getting 100% mark. At least maybe 10-15 test cases will be there, and that test cases will catch all the logical errors. Okay, if any test case is failing, means some logical error you made, that's all. Okay, that is the case about campus placements. So I'll tell you, so majority of you may be thinking, okay fine, this is a situation, then what should I do for getting a campus placement or IT company placement? And just now I am talking only about IT company placement, because majority, 90% of the campus recruitments are happening in IT companies. So what should I do for getting a job? That means in an IT company. Okay, you can listen over here. I have divided this IT company placement preparation into 2 stages. Okay, first stage you can observe over here. You can see here, first stage you are having an aptitude test, then online coding and technical subject. Okay, these 3 things should be very well thorough with you. Okay, after that only second stage I am mentioning, like interview part. Okay, we have technical interview and HR interview. Now in your aptitude test, as I already mentioned, you are having quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning and English. Okay, we should be very good in that, otherwise this round itself you will be failing. Okay, in quantitative aptitude you will be getting time and distance, time and work, ratio, proportion, and logical reasoning you will be getting coding, decoding, arrangement, all those kinds of questions. And in English you will be getting your reading comprehension, synonyms and antonyms, sentence correction, all those questions. Okay, this much only, but majority are failing in that particular round. So now coming to online coding, I already mentioned. Okay, you can go with either C++, so like HackerRank, HackerEarth platform. You can do. Okay, majority of the questions they are asking is from 1-dimensional array, 2-dimensional array and string manipulation. Okay, basic companies are asking a majority of the questions from 1-dimensional array, 2-dimensional array, string manipulation. So you can concentrate much on that particular topic. Now coming to your technical subjects, for computer science students, they are supposed to learn C++, data structures, algorithms, operating system, DBMS and computer networks. Okay, mainly for cracking a campus placement. Now Other branch students may be thinking, so these all subjects I have not studied, so what I am supposed to study? Okay, you can select 3 of your core subjects, 3 or 4 of your core subjects. Okay, in IT company job, if you want a job, aptitude should be good, coding you should be good, and from computer science you can study data structure and algorithms. Basics of data structure and algorithm you can learn, and another 3 more subjects from your own branch, your favorite subject, core subjects. Okay, I'll mention later part, I will be mentioning what all are the core subjects you are supposed to learn in your own branch. Okay, that I'll be telling you. So this stage, if you are good with this one, that much is enough, you will clear this round. Okay, only thing is that you want to crack that campus placement, but you are not aware what you are supposed to learn or what you are supposed to do for this particular thing. Okay, so now stage 2, if I show you, I am dividing it into technical interview and HR interview. Okay, the first slide I have told you that this decoration part, we are having a cake, we are supposed to have technical skill and soft skills. Okay, so here is your soft skills, here is your soft skills, here is your technical skills. Okay, so in technical interview, even if you are from any branch, okay, 30% of the questions will be coming from the projects. So it is very, very important that you are supposed to do 1 or 2 good projects in second year or third year, or before you are reaching final year, you are supposed to do at least 1 or 2. More than that, it's not needed. 2. Okay, 2 good projects, because majority of the questions from that, they start with that questions in the project round. Just ice breaking session will be over, then immediately question will be coming, what project you have done, because your resume will be there in your hand and they will be asking you from the resume. The first question will be coming from what is your favorite subject, what is the project you have done, all those questions will be coming. So it's very important that you are supposed to do a nice project in your second year or third year. And other subjects I have mentioned for computer science students. So now you can see here, you should have programming logic, data structure, algorithm, DBMS, operating system, and latest technology. So in this one, other branch students, maybe EEE, MEC, civil and all, project is very, very important. Programming logic is very, very important. What I mean by programming logic is that how can we improve that programming logic? Okay, then again I will give a solution for that also. If we are able to do 100 programs in any online coding platform. Okay, so majority of the students, when they go to online coding platform, they will see some questions and they will get fear, and after that they will think that this is very, very tough and we will not be able to do. But that is a false statement. Okay, if you can do from the basic onwards in the online coding platform, what all are the questions or what all are the topics, maybe from the array, maybe 20 question, metrics, maybe another 20 questions, strings, another 20 questions, like that, basic mathematical problem, basic series problem, basic pattern problem, pattern kind of problems also they are asking. So this kind of category, 20-25 problems if you are do, that means around 100 problems if you could do in HackerRank or HackerEarth platform, that will be more than enough for any branch student. For cracking companies up to 5 lakh, that is more than enough. Okay, so now if you prepare for that 100 problems, 100 programming problems in HackerRank platform or any other platform, that will help you here also in programming logic. Okay, so this coding, when you are practicing, that can come in your programming. First round itself, they will be giving a programming logic test. They will give small code and they will be telling you find the answer. Okay, and the first round itself you will be getting coding round. Coding round means you have to supposed to write the code and get the output. Again, third, it's very, very important. Okay, third, in the interview also, that interviewer will be asking you, because it's an IT company interview, they will be asking you, can you write a program for finding the factorial, or can you write a recursive program for finding the factorial? So this kind of small, maybe 2-3 problems they will be asking you, just for checking whether you are having an inclination towards programming or not. Okay, so these 3 ways, if you practice 100 programs, it will be very much beneficial for you. Okay, and data structure and algorithm, I suggest all the branch students should have a basic knowledge about data structure and algorithm. Okay, this is the fundamental. If you ask me which all are the very, very important subjects from computer science a software engineer should learn, means that I will tell it's data structure and algorithm. So basics of data structure and algorithm you can learn. Computer science students must learn, but other branches students also should learn. And other subjects computer science students should learn are DBMS, operating system, and latest technologies. Okay, so now instead of DBMS and operating system, non-CS branch students, they can learn maybe your favorite 2-3 subjects. I will mention it that later, which are the subjects you are supposed to go for that. Okay, and every branch students, even if you are civil, mechanical, electrical, computer science, you should know what are the latest technologies in your own branch, what is happening in your own branch, whether it is electrical or computer science. If it is computer science, now the buzzwords are data science, artificial intelligence, big data, cloud computing, IoT, all those hi-fi technical terms. You should have a basic understanding. It's not that they are expecting that you should have very much knowledge about that. It's not like that. Fundamental understanding about all those things are needed, because why they are asking question from this one is that they should get an idea whether this guy is interested in all these technologies or not, because in the company he is coming to the company and going to work on this technology, whether he is having interest on this kind of upcoming technology. For that they will be asking this question. So with that one, that technical interview part will be over, nothing else. Okay, but many of the time we are failing in this particular because we are not confident. The questions, the basic subjects, we are not confident, and they will be asking some basic questions and we are not able to answer. Okay, so this is the way you are supposed to learn. These are all the subjects you should learn for clearing this technical round. Now coming to the soft skills, if you see here, I have mentioned all the soft skills which a company is expecting from you: positive attitude, team player, communication skill, confidence, patience, flexibility. Okay, even if you are having 10 Cgpa, and if you don't have, if you are not, if the HR manager is feeling that you don't have, oh, he is not a team player, his attitude is a little bit negative, if he rejects, that's all, you will not be getting job. Okay, so all these skills are very important. Okay, positive, you should maintain a positive energy, positive attitude, you should be a team player. They will be asking some questions for testing whether you are a team player or whether you are having positive attitude or not. Communication skill, then when you talk itself, they will understand whether you are able to communicate properly or not. Confidence on your technical subjects, confidence on whatever you are telling, whether you are having confidence. Patience, okay, whether you are a listener. Flexibility, that's a common question for checking flexibility. Are you willing to relocate? Do you if I tell you to go and work in Delhi, will you go? Then some students will be telling that, oh, I may not go, I am from Kerala or I am from Tamil Nadu, I may not be able to go to Delhi and work because my family is here. That and all, immediately you may be rejected, 90% of the case. Okay, so all those things you should be very much clear. Okay, so if you are having this many skills, it's not a difficult task to get a IT company job from the campus, nothing else. Okay, we are thinking that it's a very tough thing. 50 subjects I am learning in engineering, all the 50 subjects are needed, questions will be coming from all the 50 subjects, nothing. Okay, you should be good in your, if it is IT company, good with coding, okay, good with your project, good with your maybe your favorite 2-3 subjects, okay, and your data structure and algorithm basics if you know, and if you are a positive thinking personality, definitely you will be getting job, nothing else. Are you getting it? Fine. So now some other students may be sitting over here. Sir, I am not interested in IT company. Can I get a job other than IT company? I am studying electrical engineering, I am studying mechanical engineering, I am studying civil engineering. Can I get a job in my own stream? Can you tell something about that? Okay, for those students, and I am 100% sure that 30 to 40% of all the engineering branch students, okay, they don't want to go for IT company job, but they are forced to go because opportunities they are not getting. Okay, in job point of view, I'll give you a suggestion. How can you get, okay, a job in your own stream, okay, through a certain way? Okay, I'll just introduce another examination. Till now we were talking about our campus placement, recruitment, that particular competitive examination. Another competitive examination I will introduce to you. This competitive examination is GATE examination. Okay, why I am this much enthusiastically telling about this GATE examination? When I studied for engineering, okay, years back, maybe in 2000, at that time I never know what is this GATE examination. After my BTech only I came to know that there is an examination called the GATE examination, and that is being conducted by IITs, and for giving admission to the students, they are conducting this particular examination, and its full form is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. And we know normally IITs conduct an examination called JEE. Okay, so that majority of you might have already appeared that examination for getting BTech admission in IITs, right? So the IITs are conducting JEE for giving admission for BTech, and for MTech they are conducting an entrance examination called GATE examination. Okay, and if you are aware, you will be telling, sir, this particular examination, like CAT examination, this particular examination is for going for higher studies. I don't want to go for higher studies. Okay, majority will be telling, I don't want to go, enough, with the BTech I want to stop my studies. Can you tell something about, with this examination, can I get a job? I'll tell, yes. Because I have been writing this particular examination from 2003 onwards. Okay, around 16 times I have written this particular examination. 18 years past, till last year also I have written this examination. I have seen in my own life, okay, my friends' life, my students' life, how they got job through this particular GATE exam. I'll explain to you clearly. I will explain all the process to you. So some students maybe 5% or 10% of the students, they may be thinking that, okay, I have missed my opportunity to get admission for BTech in IITs. But now I am having good intelligence. I am not supposed to learn in this particular college. I am supposed to learn in NITs or IITs, but I just missed it. Okay, they can very well think about GATE examination. What is the beauty of this one? If you write this particular examination, if you get some good marks, I'll be telling you about the detail about marks and all. If you clear this particular examination, you can get admission in IIT or NIT for your MTech. You can change your brand name from your current college to IITN or NITN. That is the beautiest part of this particular examination. You can go and study or do your MTech from IITs or NITs. Okay, majority some outside India universities are also giving admission for their MS, especially universities in Singapore like National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological NTU, Nanyang Technological University, okay, German Munich University. They all give admission for their MS program through this particular GATE examination. Okay, I'll tell all other advantages about this GATE examination in the coming slides. Some more things about normally if anybody asks or if you are aware about it, okay, first thing coming in your mind is that GATE examination is for higher studies, and that higher studies I can do it from IITs or NITs or any other top reputed colleges. Okay, so I'll ask you, what are the other benefit of writing GATE? Okay, I can do, some may be aware, but I am telling some more information to you. I can do MBA from NITI. What is this NITI? National Institute of Industrial Engineering. Okay, NITI Bombay. It is top 10 management institute in India at par with IIMs. Okay, you can write GATE examination and you can get admission in NITI for doing MBA. NITI is not a small institute. It is coming inside all the rankings. It is coming inside top 15 in MBA colleges in India. I'll show the rankings. Okay, it's a very nice institute. Okay, it's compared to getting an admission in IIM. You can just write this GATE examination, and if you can clear that particular GATE examination, after that group discussion and interview only will be there. You can get admission for MBA. Okay, it's a very fine course. It's specializing in industrial engineering, operations management, supply chain management, all those, especially for your mechanical, civil, all kind of jobs you will be getting, all category. Okay, so now other thing I already told you, MS from Singapore universities like National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological University, you can get through GATE examination. Again, you can get job in PSUs like IOCL, Power Grid, BPCL, NDPC, SAIL, BHEL, BARC, etc. And another, some people will be telling it's the best measure for testing your subject knowledge. Okay, so now you should ask me, okay, sir, you are writing this particular examination for last 18 years or something like that. What is your opinion about this GATE examination? I always compare, or I always see this GATE examination in job point of view. What are the different ways you can get a job? Can you tell me what are the different ways you can get a job? We can categorize our job matters into two things. Okay, one is you can get a job in private company, and the second one is you can get a job in a government job. Okay, now government job again we can classify into two: central government and a state government. Okay, all three I have mentioned: private company job, central government company job, and state government job. All three kinds of job it is possible you to get through GATE examination. Clearly I am telling all kind of job. Now you should ask me, how come GATE is examination for your entrance examination for MTech? Now why you are telling that you can get a job through it? Okay, so now first of all I'll mention about private company. First itself I have mentioned that 90% of the campus placements are happening only in IT companies. Majority of our engineers are moving to IT company. Maybe you are from mechanical, civil, electrical, they all are going for IT companies. Now I told you, don't worry, I will tell you a way to get a job in your own stream. Okay, so now coming to private, maybe civil engineer or maybe mechanical or electrical, private companies, since their requirements are not that much, like IT companies, they are not going to every colleges. They are going to top 20 engineering colleges all over India. Okay, any reputed top 20 engineering colleges, if you inquire, their core company recruitments will be very high. Core company, whether it is IIT, NIT or top universities of India, core company recruitment will be very high. Okay, if you can manage to get in any of the top 20 universities in India, you can get a MTech from that 2 years MTech. After 1 year you can go for the campus placement in that particular college. Definitely if it is a top 20 university, core companies other than IT definitely will come. Other than IT, maybe electrical company, L&T, or your any other private companies, if you can think Tata Motors or Tata, any company, if you are thinking about your private company job, those companies will be visiting that particular campus. So in that way you can get a core company job. Your own branch you can get a job, private company job. Okay, fine. Now you are not interested in private companies. Sir, can you talk about something like government company, whether we can get a job? Yes, surely yes. Based in IT companies, okay, government companies are very, very less. Only for the core branches where you are lacking in maybe civil, mechanical, electrical, all those branches, okay, electronics, the opportunities in government sectors are very, very high. Now the question is, how should I get that? Whether it is a state government or central government, how should I get that? Now the good news is that all the central government companies, that public sector units, Maharatna, all those Navaratna companies, all those companies, I will show the list. Okay, all those companies, they started recruiting through GATE examination. You write GATE examination, if you get 1000 inside 500 or 1000 rank, you will be shortlisted for technical interview, and you have to qualify another technical interview after this GATE examination. That technical interview will be conducted by your company, or which company. If it is IOCL will be conducting your technical interview, and it's not that kind of big toughness and all. Technical interview, if you can clear GATE examination, your interview will be easy. Okay, maybe some extra HR interview and you will be getting recruited to that particular company. Okay, so all the PSUs, they are recruiting through, I have counted around more than 75 public sector units all over India. They are recruiting through GATE examination. Okay, so now our next question is, sir, how come this state government examination is also recruiting through GATE examination? No, state government normally they don't recruit through GATE examination. Okay, I told you central government institutes like public sector units, okay, all those companies, they recruit directly through GATE examination. You write GATE, submit your score to them, and if you are getting that enough mark, they will be calling for interview and you will be getting job. Now state governments, they are not valuing this GATE examination. They are all conducting, whether it is a Tamil Nadu state government or whether it is Kerala state government or any state government, they have their own public examination. Okay, in Kerala we call it as PSC. Okay, Public Service Commission. So they will be conducting examination for the students for recruitment. Okay, now I'll tell how we can get job. Sir, writing GATE, then how it is possible to get job in state government, in Kerala government, how I'll get job? Okay, Kerala government, I'll simply tell, there may be some engineering post, maybe like irrigation department, water authority, KSCB, Kerala State Electricity Board, any engineering post, they will be conducting a engineering level test. And what is this engineering level test? GATE is the toughest examination in all over India, in that technical branch, whether it is electrical engineering GATE, that will be considered as the toughest examination. And if a state government is conducting an examination, that particular examination will be a subset of this particular GATE examination. You take any syllabus, definitely it will be a subset of GATE examination. And now you think that you have, maybe in third year or second year, you start preparing for GATE. Sometimes you may be getting into IIT, okay fine, it's well and good. Now you think that I have not qualified, I got qualified but I didn't get admission in IIT or NIT, but I qualified. I'm surely telling, I have seen many students, okay, who just qualified in GATE, maybe they got out of 130 marks or 45 marks. They were very sad initial days. But after 2-3 years, when I am seeing them, they all got job in some kind of Kerala government jobs, not general public job, okay, like clerical job and all. They are working as a supervisor or they are working as an engineer. How it is possible? Again, I thought, that was possible only through they have prepared for this GATE examination. Their technical subjects are strong. Now, if you prepare for a technical examination for 1 year, then after that, any other subset of that particular technical examination, if you are writing, it will be easy for you. So for them, they have already prepared for GATE examination, for a Kerala government examination, engineering level examination, it will be very, very easy for them. And others, those who are not preparing for that level, they cannot compete in that examination. They will simply out. They will not they cannot compete, because we are competing with the students who are preparing for GATE examination. So others cannot compete with them. Okay, so this is the 3-way you can get job. Core company, electrical, mechanical, civil. Okay, you can get private company job. If the campus recruitment, that private company is not coming into your campus, means go to the campus where these private companies are coming. You can change your life. Other thing is that write GATE and get a good rank, directly go for public sector units. Other thing is that prepare very well for GATE. If you want to go for MTech, you go. Otherwise, start immediately after your final year, start preparing for Kerala government or Tamil Nadu government or Andhra government technical examination for engineers. I am 100% sure, within 1 or 2 years, you will grab a very nice job, government job. That is the situation. I have seen in front of my eyes, I have seen many students like that. Okay, you can try for that. Only thing you needed is that right vision. Sir, I need this one. Okay, that right target. If the target is ready, if it is logical and clear, and specific target, if it is there in front of you, you can do anything. Sir, this is what I want. I want an IT company job. Oh no, I don't want an IT company job. I need a public sector unit job, or I need a job in my own state, and that should be in an engineering level job. Sir, I have to work in Tata Motors. That is my dream. So based on that, you have to set your target correctly, specifically, logically, clear. And if that is ready, your mind will do all other things to achieve the target. Simply, I am not telling. See, I have seen many students' life, many of my friends' life, they have done like that. Are you getting my point? Fine. So now I already mentioned about how to get in core companies through GATE examination. Fine. Now, this I have already mentioned, NITI. Okay, it's one of the best institute for MBA. For MBA, this is the only one institute you can get admission through GATE examination. You can just see the salary, see the rankings of NITI. It's like 2019 ranking. You are having rank 8, rank your the week. Many agencies are ranking. It's every time. I have been checking this institute from 2005 onwards, because I was very much passionate to study over there. So 2005 onwards I am following this institute. Every time it will be inside 15 rank. All India inside 15, at par with IIM. Average salary also will be at par with IIM, not the lowest grade IIM, lower IIM. Okay, top IIM, IIM Ahmedabad or IIM Calcutta. That kind of IIM's average salary will come to this particular institute. Okay, I'll just show the salary details of this institute last year. You see here, 19 recruiters, 19 new recruiters last year placement, 121 recruiters, 58.24 lakhs per annum is the highest salary. We are crying here for getting a 20,000 job. We are just simply crying, sir, I am not getting a 20,000 job. How come you are telling like 58 lakhs per annum higher salary? These all are for students who are able to set their target clearly, specifically and logically, and who are passionately work for that particular, achieving that target. Maybe 1 year or 2 year preparation. Their entire life got settled. We are simply roaming around all 4 years. We are simply roaming around, okay, getting some 7 Cgpa or some way we are getting some mark, and we are not improving our technical skills. We are not improving our soft skills, simply roaming around. And how can we expect other than 10,000 salary after your BTech? It's not possible. More than 10,000. Okay, you see here, if you reach, it's not tough to get an admission over here. Okay, I know this institute. Personally, I know this institute. Okay, average salary, you see, this is 20 lakhs per annum. Normal, our engineering college average salary will be 1.5 lakhs per annum or 2 lakhs per annum, whatever the case may be. Okay, 2 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs will be the average salary of any of our engineering college. This institute's average salary is 20 lakhs per annum. That clearly shows that minimum of 2 lakhs salary you will get if you get an admission over there. Okay, so you can see here, see, top 10% got 36 lakhs per annum. 36 lakhs per annum means 3 lakhs per month. Okay, top 20% got 31 lakhs per annum. Top 50% got 25 lakhs per annum. If you are at least a top 50% in that one, you will get 24 lakhs or 2 lakhs per month. Why we are crying for getting a job? Do the right things for where is the job. Go there and attack it. Simply sitting in your home and crying, it will not work out. Okay, jobs are there, but only that serious students, they are grabbing it always. They know the target. When they are studying first year BTech itself, they are targeting this NITI. They know because his brother has studied over there, or his neighbor has studied over there, or his friends or father's friends have studied over there. They are setting the target in the second year or first year itself, and they are moving for that. What we are doing? Fine. So now I'll show all other PSU's list. I have just gathered this information 1 or 2 years back. BSNL JTO is recruiting through GATE examination. Now Baba Atomic Research Center recruiting through GATE examination. DRDO recruiting through GATE examination. Okay. All branches are eligible. Okay, DRDO. Now you see this particular Defense Research Development DRDO. Be it known to the candidates desirous for recruitment to the post of Scientist B. Do you know that BTech is eligible for becoming a scientist? We are thinking that PhD or postdoc is needed for getting a job as scientist. But with BTech, you can become a scientist in DRDO. With BTech, you can become a scientist in ISRO. Okay, scientist B. But here it is, they are mentioning that in Defense Research Development Organization, it will be notifying the vacancies of scientist B for the year 2017 in the next few months, depending upon the requirement. The direct recruitment to the post of scientist B will be conducted based on valid GATE score, valid graduate aptitude test in engineering. Directly through GATE examination, they are recruiting for scientist post. You should get a very good rank, that's all. Okay, fine. That is the case of DRDO. Again, many I have counted rights for making you understand. Some slides I have kept, some companies' name I have kept. Okay, and majority of the recruitment, like I have counted that electrical engineers are having majority of the companies in this particular PSUs. Majority of the company electrical engineers are eligible. Top preference for electrical engineers. Okay, and we are crying that electrical engineers are not getting job. Okay, it's not like that. So now Cabinet Secretariat, Haryana Power, PSPCL, PSTCL, all are central government companies. Midani, Navaratna company, Maharatna company, all those companies. Okay, MDL, BPCL, HPCL, IOCL, all these oil companies, they give very nice salary. Okay, after the 7th pay commission salary commission and all, no, it will be like 1.5 lakh, 2 lakhs per month. Government companies are giving 1 lakh plus is sure. Just qualify GATE examination with a good rank, your life is settled. Okay, so all those companies, all oil companies are giving very good salary and perks also. That means they will be giving you flat, you can stay there, all amenities, all facilities, everything. Okay, travel allowance, everything you will be getting. CRIPCO, OPGC, Bihar State, National Highway Authority of India, Oil India, Vizag Steel, CEL, Airports Authority of India, BNPM, THDC, Gujarat State Electricity, Power Grid and all give very good salary. Power Grid, WBSC, DCL, NHPC, all are recruiting directly through GATE examination. BE, Bharat Electronics Limited, NTPC, MECL, GAIL, BHEL, Mecon India, NALCO, Container Corporation, Delhi Development Authority, Neyveli Lignite Corporation, NBCC, BBNL. Now BBNL is merged with BSNL, I think. IRCON. All, like I have counted, some 75 plus companies are there. They are ready to recruit the engineers, especially from non-CS branch to their company. Are we ready for that? Or you are fearing that and running away? That is a problem. Those who are not fearing and who are showing the courage to stand and fight back, this is the one I want. They are getting. Okay, even ISRO is conducting their own examination, but I found that this ISRO examination is at par with a GATE examination or lesser than that, not much tougher. Okay, so all the examination, any technical examination coming into your mind, it will be easier than GATE. If you prepare for GATE, any kind of examination you can crack. This is a list I have made maybe 2 years back. In this list itself, 50 companies are there. Last year I have counted around 75 companies. Okay, majority of these companies, electrical engineers are maximum, electrical engineers, mechanical, civil, majority. Then electronics, after that computers are very less. Computer companies or those companies which are recruiting computer engineering graduates are less in PSUs. But the computer engineers are having very good opportunities in private companies. That's what. So equal opportunity is there. Only thing is that we are closing our eyes and sitting and we are thinking that no beta graduates are getting job. That is the situation. Okay, fine. Now, you may be thinking, okay, you are talking this much about this GATE examination. Okay, it's fine. It's a graduate aptitude test in engineering. I understood that it is for getting admission into IITs, for doing MTech, or you told that there are opportunity jobs you can get through government jobs you can get, private company jobs you can get, or state government or any kind of jobs you can get. Fine. So what should I do for this one? What is the pattern of this examination? Can you help me, sir? I know your question, I know. Okay, so just see the screen now. It's a 100-mark examination. GATE examination, it's a 100-mark examination. Okay, in this 100 marks, on an average, if you get 30 marks, you will qualify. I'll tell just basic idea. Average 1 lakh plus engineering graduates will be writing this particular examination. Based on the branches, it may vary, okay, but you can expect that 1 lakh students will be writing. 10 to 15% students only will qualify this examination. You may be thinking, what is this qualification? Qualifying means if you are getting 30 or on an average 30 marks, you will qualify that exam. Only 10 to 15% students only are getting this particular mark. Now you may be thinking, 1 lakh students are writing, only 15,000 students are getting 30 marks. Now, nice, sir, it's a very good examination. You are recommending us this examination, right? I know. I'm not simply telling. It's a standard examination. See, any company, if they are giving 1 lakh rupees salary, 2 lakh rupees salary through one examination, means it should be a standard examination. Or if everybody can qualify, means how can they scrutinize? Okay. Now again, I'll tell the right scenario. I'll tell. Even though 1 lakh students are writing, Okay, only 20 or 25,000 students are preparing for it. Simply they are, when the date comes, okay, from the college they will announce, everybody please apply for GATE. Then all are going and applying for GATE. And they are thinking that simply for if I apply GATE, I will qualify. Nothing working. Nothing doing with that. Okay, so maybe your 20-25,000 from a particular branch are very serious in this study. And that 20-25,000, 15,000 serious students, 15,000 will qualify. Now, this 15,000 are passionate in study. 10,000 to 15,000 all over India, any branch. If I take computer science, 10,000 students all over India will be passionately studying for getting into IITs. Out of that 10,000, if you could manage inside 1,000 rank, next year you will be also in IIT. 10,000 students are competing for IIT. One time when I was working in another institute, one of my students came and told, sir, getting admission in IIT is more tougher than getting admission in MIT, because the number of application for a seat in MIT is much lesser than IIT. Simply I told that simply application numbers are maybe MIT those who are applying, they are having that particular, they scored that particular GRE score and all, and they are in that level. All are maybe in the same level, but those who are applying for GATE in IITs, it may not be the case. Simply everybody trying. Okay, our real competition is within 10,000. Within 10,000, if you can manage, if you are passionate only, you will be coming in that 10,000. Otherwise, you will be in another 50,000. Okay, if you are really passionate about and you have already set your target, this is my way. This institute, this IIT, I want to study. This IIT Madras, I want to study, or IIT Guwahati, I want to study. So after setting that particular target, if you are ready to prepare for 1 year, okay, I am thinking that in BTech you have not studied anything. In that case, 1 year solid preparation is enough. And in BTech level, you have almost studied conceptually, understandingly you have studied means you need only 6 months. Okay, otherwise whatever the case may be, 1 year is more than enough to get inside 1,000 rank. Okay, so this particular examination 100 mark. Out of this 100 marks, we can again classify into general aptitude part and technical part. General aptitude and technical part. 15 mark is for general aptitude and 85 mark is for technical aptitude. Okay, what is this 15 mark? General aptitude, what we were talking initially, campus placement. Campus placements, general aptitude and GATE general aptitude is exactly same. If you prepare for campus placement, then you can easily get the marks from GATE general aptitude, or if you prepare for GATE, vice versa also true. Are you getting my point? So 15 marks solidly, if you are preparing for GATE means it's a whole package. It's your campus placement is covered, your job is covered, your higher studies is covered. It's a complete package. That's what. Maybe a general aptitude they have introduced maybe of 3-4 years back only. They have seen, okay, the student should have, IIT professors are only setting the syllabus. Students should have that overall idea about everything. They should be job ready. In that point of view only they have set the syllabus. Okay, so preparing for this GATE examination, it is clearly saying that you are ready for campus placements also. So now 15 marks for general aptitude, remaining 85 marks are there. This 85 marks coming from your subjects. Now you may be thinking again subjects come into picture. From the subjects, another 15 marks will be from your engineering mathematics. Okay, so another from the 85 marks, another 15 marks will come from the engineering mathematics. If it is computer science students, majority of the questions are coming from discrete mathematics, sets, relation functions, proportional logic, predicate logic, like that. Okay, remaining 70 marks will come from your subjects, the subjects which you have studied. Initially I have mentioned that, first slide I have mentioned that we are lacking in decorating our cake. Our cake is ready, BTech is ready, but we are lacking in decoration of our cake. So what is the decoration? Technical skills and soft skills. So now 50 subjects you are studying, all those 50 subjects you should be master in that for improving your technicals? No. Okay, every branch you are supposed to learn 10 to 12 subjects. That subjects you should be master. Then sir, how I will know that particular 10 subjects? You see GATE examination for testing, for giving admission for you to MTech in IIT, they have set the syllabus. In that syllabus, 10 or 12 subjects are there, and that 12 subjects or 10 subjects will be the most core subjects of your branch. You study that subject will be coming in your campus placement, and that subjects will be there for GATE examination. I will show you all those subjects name. Okay, so this GATE examination is a multiple choice question examination, MCQ. Okay, maybe 3-4 years back they have added numerical answers also. Dash will be there. There are some number and numerical answer type questions also will be there. MCQ, 4 options will be there, and numerical answer type questions will be there. Okay, and we cannot do like simply pingy and all, pongy and all, we cannot do, because negative marking is there. Okay, every 1 mark question you will be getting 1/3, 0.33 negative mark, and every 2 mark question you will be getting 0.66 negative mark. Okay, fine. So you will be the questions numbers, and I have mentioned over here. General aptitude 5 questions 1 mark, 5 questions 2 marks. Again, out of the technical subjects, 25 1 mark question and 30 2 mark questions will be there. Okay, in this 100 marks examination, whoever is getting on an average 60 plus marks, it may vary from year to year. Don't think that for getting an inside 500, I'll show my students list. Okay, for getting a into IIT I should get 90 marks or 99 marks. That is not applicable. Competitive examination is not like that. Competitive examination is known as competitive examination because it is competitive. Nobody can get like 100 out of 100, 99, like 99, 95 like our normal academics. Any mark in competitive exam, even if it is campus placement also, 60% plus mark you will be qualifying. In GATE examination also, if it is 60% mark or 60 marks plus out of 100, surely you can get into IITs. Okay, branch wise little bit difference will be there. I'll tell that later. So that is the case. So total 65 questions, 100 marks will be there. Fine. Now you can see some students may be thinking, all branch students are registered for this webinar. Some students may be, sir, computer science, what are all the important subjects? Computer science students, you can see here all branches I will be showing. Computer science students can see here engineering mathematics, very less importance for engineering mathematics, and discrete mathematics, digital logic, computer organization, theory of computation, compiler design, programming and data structure, algorithm, operating system, DBMS, computer networks, and general aptitude. Verbal ability and numerical ability comes under general aptitude. Okay. Among these computer subjects, I have mentioned some subjects or in blue color. If it is blue color, what I want to mention to you is that subjects are very, very important for campus placements. And I told you, GATE is a superset. If you prepare for GATE, everything will come to you. Campus placement for computer science, they are supposed to learn programming and data structure, blue color, okay? Programming and data structure, algorithms, operating systems, DBMS, and computer networks, plus your projects, plus coding. Okay, then general aptitude. General aptitude also coming in GATE syllabus. This is computer science syllabus. Now, EC, in that WhatsApp group, I'll share some more information. Some more slides I'll be sharing in our WhatsApp group, which we have made. EC, you see, engineering mathematics, network theory, electronic devices, analog circuits, digital circuits, signals and systems, control systems, communication, electromagnetics, general ability. These all are the important subjects for electronics background students. Okay, you concentrate this many subjects. These subjects will give you a job. I am 100% sure. These subjects you become master, and that subject is having the capability to give you a job. Very simple. Fine. Now you come to electrical engineering. It's engineering mathematics, networks, analog circuits, digital circuits, signals and systems, control systems, electrical machines, power systems, measurements, power electronics, electromagnetics, and general ability. Okay, these many subjects are very important for, I'll share this slide to you, don't worry. Okay, very important for electrical engineers. For mechanical engineers, thermal science, heat transfer, mechanics, strength of material, industrial engineering, design of machine, theory of machine, vibrations, fluid mechanics, manufacturing science, and engineering mathematics and general aptitude. Okay, for mechanical engineering students. So this all the important subjects, very much important for getting job for mechanical engineers. Now, see, for civil engineers, engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics, solid mechanics, structural analysis, construction materials and management, concrete structures, steel structures, soil mechanics, foundation engineering, fluid mechanics, hydrology, irrigation, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, geomatics engineering, and general aptitude and numerical ability. Okay, these many subjects are important for a civil engineer. Okay. Now you may be thinking, sir, you are talking a lot about GATE examination. Is this GATE examination tough? Normally I get this kind of questions from wherever I go for a talk, I get this kind of question. Sir, is this examination tough? I'll answer all the question. Sir, I have less Cgpa. Can I qualify this GATE examination? Okay. I got job. Whether I should write GATE examination? Okay. I am not interested in higher studies. BTech with BTech is enough. I don't want to study anything further. Why should I write GATE? Okay. And how should I prepare? Okay. First question. I have answer to all these questions through my students' experience. Okay, I will show some students case studies. In that case studies, I will be mentioning how they have cracked, and all these answers for all these questions are there. Okay. Now you see, is GATE tough? Obviously, it is tough. I told you from 2003 onwards, I am writing this particular examination. And every time I tell this one, students will be asking, from 2003 onwards, why you are writing? Are you not qualifying this examination? Why you are writing this examination? Basically, I am a GATE trainer. Okay, not only me, my team, everybody will write this particular examination. Okay, why? Because we have to keep in touch with the always changing pattern of this particular GATE examination. It's a very highly competitive examination. Okay, pattern, syllabus, everything will change every year. So we should identify the right pattern. Oh, this is the pattern change is happening. Okay, and we have to inform the students when we are training. So for that reason, we are keeping in touch with the subject, and there is no age restriction for writing this particular examination. Okay, anybody can write. Now I am 40 years old. Now last year GATE 2020 also I wrote. Next year also I'll write. So there is no age restriction. So that may be also one of your doubt. Okay, now whether this GATE examination is tough, I'll tell yes, it is tough. It's a tough examination. Otherwise everybody will qualify. No, I'll tell with my example. GATE 2003 I wrote. I didn't qualify. GATE 2004 I wrote. I didn't qualify. Okay, but my target was ready that I should study in a very reputed institute. That my target was ready. Okay, I was very much passionate about my target. GATE 2005 I got All India rank 526. Now you should ask me, is GATE tough? Yes, it is tough. Because that particular examination is tough, because of that reason only I didn't qualify for 2 years. No, not only that one. I'll tell that reason correctly. Only myself can tell that reason why I didn't qualify 2003 and 2004. Because I was interested in this GATE examination, but I never know how to prepare for this examination. Every competitive examination, even if you are preparing for IAS, I don't know how to prepare for IAS examination. The person who has already written that examination or some kind of knowledge if he is having, then he will be able to guide us properly. GATE 2004 and GATE 2003, I never got any help. I simply study randomly like we are studying in our academics, simply studying and going and writing the GATE examination. I never know the pattern of the examination. I never know which all are the important subjects. I never know how to answer, nothing. Okay, so if somebody is there to help you, it will be easy to. I got help in 2005. I went for a coaching and at that time I understood. Oh, this examination should be, preparation strategy should be like this. Examination hall strategy should be like this. Like that, if you are knowing, then only it will be easy. Otherwise, it will be tough. I am not telling that by self-preparation you can never crack. Some students are there, intelligent students are there. They can do self-preparation and they can crack. Okay, but average, above average students, if you feel that okay, maybe I don't have that much passion, like I will sit and learn like that and all, then you should get some help, definitely. So now I have less Cgpa. Can I qualify GATE? I have a different student slides for that. I'll explain that one at that time. I got job. Whether I should write GATE, I have slide for that. I'll explain. I am not interested in higher studies. Why should I write GATE? I told you. Not only for higher studies, it's for getting job. You can write this examination. You write in the sense, at least prepare for this examination very seriously, so that you can qualify. Maybe you got a 2.5 or 3 lakhs IT company job. You can get a very good salary job in your own core branch or in IT company itself through writing GATE examination. That I already told you how to get and all. How should I prepare? Okay, and again preparation, it's not like a normal kind of preparation. Okay, normally in our engineering studies, what we do, we study some every day, previous day of examination, we'll be opening our book and we'll be mugging up something and we'll be studying. That kind of studies will never work for GATE. Perfect fundamental knowledge is needed. Conceptual understanding is needed. 10 subjects are there. That 10 subjects, conceptual understanding, why it is so, how it is happening. Okay, fundamentally your concept should be clear. Then only you will be able to answer. Fundamental questions only they will be asking. Okay, then only you will be able to answer. And from that fundamental questions, many students may be writing that fundamental questions, but speed and accuracy should be there. Okay, this question is coming, what way I am supposed to think? This way if I supposed to think, then I will get the answer more quickly. If I do all the procedure, it may take 5 minutes. Within 1 or 2 minutes I am supposed to answer a question, because 3 hours 65 questions, maximum 3-4 minutes you will be getting for one question. For 1 mark you may be getting 1 minute, or 2 marks you will be getting 2.5 to 3 minutes. That's all. Within that time you should get the answer. Not only the answer, you should get the accurate answer. Accuracy is also important. No, speed and accuracy both are important. So you should prepare very fundamentally. You should be strong and you should know how to answer a particular problem in a shortcut, with using shortcut in a different way, or maybe some approach will be there that will be helping you, like for increasing the speed, accuracy and all those things. Okay, so that kind of preparation if you do only, I can tell you that you can get inside 1000 rank. Fine. Now I am showing you some of my students' results last year. Why I am showing this one is that you should understand that last year around 4 students qualified within 100 rank in my institute. Okay, and all these students, what I have observed is that majority of them already placed, but they were having a target and they were very passionate about their target. Okay, even Adira PT also already got a job. Okay, Adira PT from computer science branch, GATE 2020, she got an all India rank of 53. You can see here, all India rank 53. You see here 53, all India rank in this paper 53. How much mark she got? She got 74 mark. GATE 2020, every year GATE February it is happening. February first week and second week it is happening every year. GATE 2021 also will be in 2021 February or first week or second week. So now she got a mark 74 mark out of 100 and she got all India rank 53. Okay, how many students wrote GATE computer science this year? 97,481 students wrote. 97,481 students wrote. In that, among them, she got all India rank 53. She got mark 74. It doesn't mean that you should get 99 marks, then only you will be getting this much score. Okay, 74 marks only she got. What was the cutoff? 28 mark was the cutoff for general category. OBC category 25 marks was the cutoff. Cutoff in the sense you will be qualifying in this examination. I told you 10,000 to 15,000 among these 1 lakh people may be qualifying, and you will be getting a certificate that you are qualified in GATE examination. What is the advantage of just merely qualifying GATE examination? When you are going for campus placement, when you are showing that in your resume, you are keeping that I have a GATE scorecard. Naturally, if I am getting 10 applicants and 2 of them are GATE qualified, naturally I will be selecting the first 2. Why? Because 1 lakh computer engineers wrote this examination and he is already inside 15,000. So naturally first round he will be getting selected. Okay, just with qualifying in GATE. For qualifying you need computer science. This year GATE 2020 you need just 29 marks, or 28.5 marks is enough for qualifying. Fine. So now another one, Aravind KB, he already got job, but he was very much passionate to study in a reputed IIT in India. Everybody have their own targets. Okay, some people will be having a very good salary I need. Some people having that passion for studying in IITs, that I want to change my name because it is for lifetime. Once you become an IITian, you will be ever known as an IITian. Once you become an NITian, you will be ever known as an NITian. So some students may be having that passion. I told you, no, your target should be clear, specific and logical. Okay, and you should be passionate about your target. Then only you can achieve this target. Passionate in the sense that any of with emotion, you have to bind it, emotion. Okay, if I should be in IIT, that kind of thinking should be there. Okay, or I should get a 25 lakhs per annum because I want to support my family. Okay, my family is spending a lot for me. I want to give them back enough money or enough help I want to give to them. Okay, so different that binding may be different way. Okay, students to student it may vary. So Arvind KB was very much passionate about getting an admission in IIT, and that itself in the top IITs. Okay, so he got all India rank 13. All India rank 13. What was his mark? 80 marks out of 100. Out of 100, 80 marks. Okay, 97,000 people wrote. Now Nidhin C. Babu, electronics and communication. Okay, all India rank 12. All India rank. How many students wrote? 83,418 students wrote. 83,418 students wrote. He got all India rank 12. Electronics and communication. Okay, Nidhin C. Babu was very much hardworking, and he was having a clear vision that I should be in IIT. Okay, very much hardworking. 1 year preparation only. Okay, preparing, but that passion is very important. Fine. So how much marks he got? 76.67 marks. Okay, 76.67 marks. 12 all India rank 12. All India rank 12. 83,000 students wrote. Next student, you see, last year students, GATE 2020, Alin Ando's rank, you see, all India rank 4. That's what I'm telling. You may be thinking, sir, this is very tough examination. It's a tough examination, but if you prepare it the right way, it's not that tough. You can get it. That's what our students are showing. Okay, all India rank 4. How many students wrote? More than around 1 lakh. The number is not there. Around 1 lakh students wrote. How much mark he got? 83.33 marks. 83.33 marks. Okay, all India rank 4. You may not be able to see because my photo is there on top of that. All India rank 4. Alin Ando. Okay, 83.33 marks. You can see here. 83.33 marks. Okay, all India rank 4. Fine. Now I will show some other students' details. This is our another student. Some specific. She studied in Kerala in Thrissur Vidya Engineering College. Okay, Ratna KK. She got an all India rank 1949. She could secure an admission in IIT Madras, MTech in ECE, and now she is working in Eaton, it's a private company in electronics. Okay, and working for 20 lakhs per annum salary. And I told, no, through GATE examination you can get private company job also. This is an example for that. Another example I will show. She is Deepthi Kamath, civil engineering. She got a mark 58 marks. 58 marks. Okay, all India rank 342. All India rank 342. And she is studying in she studied in IIT Delhi MTech Environmental Engineering. She is a civil engineering student. MTech Environmental Engineering from IIT Delhi. PhD now she is doing. Okay, Michigan University. She is doing PhD. Okay, BTech Civil Engineering from Government Engineering College, Thrissur. Now another student, Vaishak studied in Kerala, one private engineering college, Sahridaya Engineering College, Thrissur. Okay, 1,76,000 students wrote. 1,76,000 students wrote. Okay, GATE 2014. He secured an all India rank of 252. 252. Okay, he studied in IIT Madras, MTech ECE. Okay, now he is placed in CDOT. It's a government sector company, CDOT. Okay, so he was also very much passionate about studying in IIT and getting a very good job. Okay, that passion only is allowing them to make or do all those things. Okay, so now another student, she is also studying in a private engineering college in Thrissur, IES. Okay, Vinitha Nandakumar, she secured a mark 59.86. 59.86, 1,41,000 people, students wrote. Okay, all India rank she got is 361. 361 all India rank, and she don't want to work. She don't want to go for MTech. Okay, one question was there. I got job. Whether what should I do? I don't want to go for. She don't want to go for MTech. She never gone for MTech. With that particular rank, she directly got job in BSNL. BSNL as JTO, Electronics and Communication Gate 2017. Okay, these all are different cases. Many students qualified. Only few I have taken for showing you different cases. Now this is another very nice case. His name is Rohit. Okay, when he came to our institute in Gate 2013, he came to our institute for arrear coaching. When he was passing out, he was having around 10 to 15 arrears, electrical engineering background. Around 15 arrears were there. He came to us and told that, sir, I want supplementary coaching. Will you give that one? And we told that, okay, anyway, Gate, if you join, you will be getting 10-12 subjects directly. All the subjects are there. You study, or that Gate you study, then ultimately you are getting all the subjects. That will be, financially, it will be good for you. He joined for Gate. And I always tell, this arrear is not, or supplementary examination is not a criteria for just judging a student's intelligence level. Why he got that much arrear? Because at this time of study, he never got passion for that particular subject. His interest was entirely different, or teachers couldn't inject that passion to him. That subject, passion, interest, it was not there. Then naturally we will be getting arrear. I know many students who got arrear and who after that they got passion in subjects and they got into IITs. Are you getting my point? So he came 1 year solid preparation. You see his rank, all India rank 17. A student who was having 10 to 15 arrears, 1 year preparation, getting on all India rank 17. It doesn't mean that he was a dull student or he was intelligent, but his interest was different. Now he got interest in the subject. The way we are supposed to prepare for Gate examination, he got interest in that. And he studied for that. 1 year, 17, all India, 17. How many students wrote? 72,000 students wrote in that time. He finished his MTech from IIT Bombay. Okay, now he is doing PhD in IISc Bangalore. PhD in IISc Bangalore. IISc Bangalore is much better institute than IITs. Top institute is IISc Bangalore. Then only IIT, all other IIT Kanpur, Madras, Kharagpur, everything will come. Okay, so and that is the case. So students who are having arrear, if you are passionate about doing something in your life, you can go for it. I am showing you the right cases over here. Okay, those who are having arrear, those who are having less Cgpa, those who got job, all students, if you are passionate in changing your career, or you want to lead a better life through your engineering studies. We cannot do like miracles and all. Okay, tomorrow I will become rich. That and all, very rarely it happens. Very rarely. If your father is rich, you can be rich very easily. But other way, through studies, if you want to become rich, you should get a very good job. Or you should start your own business, and that should become hi-fi. Then only you will be getting rich. Okay. So these all are the way, with 1 or 2 year preparation, passionate preparation, it can change your life. Fine. Another case, one last case. Okay. We'll wind up with 12 o'clock. Another last case, it's Shini. She joined in our institute maybe 1 year back. Now she is studying 2nd year MTech in IIT Madras. She was having 10 year study gap. She came to us and told that, sir, I forgot all subjects. I almost 10 years over. I forgot all subjects. Okay. Can I study this? Can I prepare? I want to change my career. Now I am working in a Gulf country. I want to come back. I want to change my career. I want to get a very good job in computer science itself. I am not getting interest in current job. Can I study this GATE examination? We told that you come and study. You don't worry about that you forgot all subjects and all. From fundamentals only we are teaching over here. From fundamentals, you study from the fundamentals. She started learning. 6 months solid preparation. June or something like that time she started preparing till December. Solid preparation, passionate preparation. I never see such a kind of passionate student. I taught her. Okay, passionate preparation for 6 months. Okay, 10-year gap in studies. After BTech, 10 years over. You imagine. All the fundamental subjects she refreshed. She became master in that 10 fundamental subject, and not only that, she improved her speed and accuracy in answering all those questions, and she got All India 498. All India 498 rank. How many students wrote? This is last year, GATE 2019. Okay, 99,000, almost 1 lakh students wrote. Are you getting the point? And she changed her life. Now she is in the current second year IIT Madras MTech. Now current campus placement she can sit. And definitely I am sure that she will be getting more than 24 lakhs per annum, maybe more per month, more than 2 lakhs from IIT Madras for computer science. I am 100% sure about it. Students are changing their life with the right kind of target and right kind of preparation. You also can do. That's what my point here is. Okay, fine. So now these are the last year our institute GATE toppers, GATE 2020 toppers. We are having Ali Nando got All India 4, All India 4. Nitin C. Babu got All India 12, and Aravind KB got All India 13. Adira PT got All India 53, and many. Okay, this is inside 500 this much, and maybe inside 1000 many. And last year itself around 16 or 17. This year we could send 16 or to 17 students into IIT. There are 23 IITs nowadays. Okay, getting into IITs around 16 or 17 on an average every year we are sending 20 students average to IITs, and NITs maybe another 50. Okay, all students who are willing to learn, willing to dedicate their 1 year. Okay, it's better to start your preparation from second year onwards. If third year you are not late, but final year means little bit late, because final year you can write GATE examination. Second years cannot write, third years cannot write. Final year, say February, you can write. Okay, so it's better to start your preparation from second year onwards, because 50 to 60% of the GATE syllabus will be from second year, another 50 or 40% from the third year, 60% from second year, and third year 40%. So second year students, parallel if they do it, it will be easy for them in their academics also. So both second years and third years I am suggesting. First years I am not suggesting, but because you can learn little bit fundamentals from the college, and after that you can start your preparation. Okay, second years and third years very well start your preparation. So this is our last year. Many students changed their life through our institute. Okay, I represent one institute called Manifold. It's Kerala's #1. These all are our ranks: All India 4, All India 12, 12, 2 times 13, 15, 17, 20, 21. You should not underestimate the result, because on an average 1 lakh students are writing. In that 1 lakh only they are getting this rank. Okay, 20, 21, 29, 39, 53, 65, 71, 75. Many are changing their life. Many. I am not telling these all students were intelligent most student, and they got they were inborn intelligent and they have made it. It's not like that. Maybe 50 or 40, 30 for 40% maybe inborn, some talented students or something. But another 60% only through hard work they have achieved it. Only through hard work, I know. And many intelligent students, they were coming for training because of they are thinking that by now automatically it will come. They have not even qualified also. So it's not about your intelligence, it's about your passion. Passion for clearing this examination. Passion for changing your life. Passion for getting a very good salary job. It's all about that. Or otherwise, you can be always thinking about, I have done BTech, nobody is giving job, or no BTechs are getting job, I should have gone for some other things. It's not the case. You are not decorating your cake. That is the only problem. Okay, so that is the only problem. Fine. So this is my favorite quote. I am winding up. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. It's like I am very much impressed about this particular quote. You may be in different, you may be having very low family status, or your father may be very poor, or your mother, nobody is having job, your family condition is bad. You may be rich, you may be Ambani's son, But whatever the case may be, what you are getting today, from that what you are getting, if you are not moving further in the next day, you got all the things from your parents. Now if you are not able to increase it, it's a crime. It's a crime against your family. It's a crime against your society. Whatever talent and whatever facilities you got, you have to multiply it using your talent. Whatever you are enjoying now, it's not because of you. It's somebody else's talent or somebody else's skill or somebody else's hard work. Most probably your parents' hard work. So what we got, we have to move ahead, whatever the case may be. If you are flying, you should run. If you are already, if you can't fly, then run. You are thinking, sir, I cannot go that much level and all. Can I? Okay. From the current level, whatever, one step ahead itself also okay. That's what the point is. From the current level, can you go to the next level? I am not telling that directly you go to this higher level. From the current level, can you go to the next level? That is a question. Okay. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Okay. So with this, I am winding up the session. If you have any doubt, I am available up to 12:30. Okay. In the chat box itself, you can write your question. I will be able to. I am seeing your chat, so I can answer your questions. I am waiting for your questions now. You can type your questions and I will be answering that. Please start typing your questions. Please start typing your questions. If you have any doubt, you can type your question in the chat box. YouTube chat box. In the sessions chat box, you can type your question. I am just checking that I can answer that. Type your question. Are you typing? Anybody, any question you can type, no issue. I am waiting for your question. Very happy to tell. Okay. And if any of you are thinking that I need a mentorship, okay, I want to achieve. So if I'm already setting my target. For achieving this target, I need a mentor. You can always contact us. Okay, in that WhatsApp group, you can be actively participating. Okay, so you need any kind of training or any mentorship, if you want from us, we are always ready to help you. So no need to worry. So if you can raise some question or if you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box now. Nobody? No questions? If I could ignite your thinking process for setting a right target, that is what very important in our life. Okay, setting a clear, specific and logic target. This is what I want to achieve within 1 year. This is what I want to achieve within 2 years. If you can set that target with the right amount of passion, then this webinar is a successful one. Otherwise it is failed. Okay, I hope that I could inject that particular point in your mind. Okay, setting that target. Oh, whoever has set that right target in their mind, I have seen that they have done great things in their life. All my students, my friends, last 10, 15, 16 years we are in this GATE training programs. So we have seen many students' life. All those students, they have clear idea what this is what I am supposed to do. They have changed their life. Okay. So comments, I am not seeing any comments from you. Okay. Let me check. Let me check. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, I am seeing that. Hope you are also seeing me. Sir, can you tell about biotechnology engineering branch? Biotechnology also is having GATE examination. Okay, you can try for that. Okay, in our WhatsApp group I will share the details, syllabus and all. Right now I don't have that one. you have a gate of examination for that biotechnology engineering also. I'll give more information in the WhatsApp group. You can ask once again in the WhatsApp group. I'll share the syllabus and all. Fee of your institution. Okay, 1 year coaching we are charging 22,000 up to only July 31st we are charging that 22,000. okay, after that it will be 30,000. okay, so those who are getting admission before July 31st they will be getting for 22,000. we are having online regular every days online classes 1.5 hours each. okay, you can check our classes in our YouTube channel. Fine. Next question, sir, how to prepare for GATE while you are studying for MTech? That's a very nice question. While you are studying for MTech, if you have already done your GATE studies before your MTech, means it will be very easy because all those notes you know how to do and all. If you have not done that, you can join some online coaching, because while doing MTech it may be difficult for do offline coaching and all. So from online coaching if you can attend and you can prepare every day. See, preparation means dedicatedly if you prepare 2 hours a day, you have to do little bit extra effort. okay, 2 hours a day if you can dedicatedly give for GATE examination study, maybe morning or evening, that will be more than enough. okay, so while your MTech studies also you can do that. Fine. Sir, are you giving coaching in these COVID times? Yes, we are giving. Because of this COVID, we were having only offline coaching. We were known for our GATE offline coaching, but these days we are giving online training also. You can check our website. okay, it's there in our number and all. I have already shown in our screen. okay, or manifoldkerala.com, you can find it, all the information, or through our WhatsApp group I can send you the information. Fine. What about the stipend now for IITs? There was a speculation like 12,400 was the stipend. Till now they have not stopped it. There was some talks were going on for stopping that but till now, but that may not be implemented because students are protesting a lot. That till now that is not, that currently it is 12,400. okay, fine. Sir, does entering into PSU need more rank than cracking IIT? Almost it is same, but it's better to get inside 200 250 rank. Then only it will be guaranteed, because many of the students are trying for getting into PSUs. okay, so you should target for inside 100 rank, then it will be easy for you to crack any PSUs. okay, it's easy, it's not tough, but 1 year solid preparation is needed. Fine. Why there is less rank holders from mechanical engineering from Kerala? Is it so? I don't know. You are from which place? I don't know. In my institute there are many mechanical engineering rank holders. okay, I don't know why it is so, because mechanical engineering little bit different cases are there, because for getting into PSUs all over India many students are trying for getting into PSUs, especially from north side and all, many are trying for PSUs. okay, and this awareness is very little bit lesser in Kerala for PSU kind of job. That kind of awareness, that passion little bit lesser in the Kerala students. That may be the reason. okay, fine. Now, sir, I am studying BTech biotechnology. Also, you can BTech biotechnology also can write GATE examination. Why haven't you mentioned about production engineering GATE? See, production engineering is another GATE examination. I have mentioned here all the major branches. You can search in the website for getting the syllabus for production engineering, or if you send a query in our WhatsApp group, we will be sending the syllabus. Don't worry about that. Sir, will you please tell about MSc Material Science students? So I don't have much awareness about MSc Material Science, but still you send a message in our WhatsApp group, I will find it out and tell you. How much for the coaching? I already mentioned. Till July 31st it will be 22,000, and after July 31st it will be 30,000. Fine. So now, does my Cgpa affect my placement? See, Cgpa, if you are having 6 Cgpa, it will be more than enough, but lesser than that, it may affect your placement, because if you are talking about IT company placements, majority of the company they set a cutoff or criteria like 60% for sitting for their campus placement, whether it is Infosys, Wipro, all those main companies are having 60%. But some companies like CTS and all, they have some relaxation, like either 10 standard or +2 you can have lesser than 60. So but you will be getting chance maybe 4 or 5 companies, major recruiters. But if you target for hi-fi company, those who are having giving 10 lakhs plus salary, then they don't have any such criteria, or only for this bulk recruiters are having this criteria. If you target for hi-fi company, 10 lakh plus IT company, there is no criteria. Okay, even students with ideas also can write that examination. Fine. Next question. How can I start my GATE preparation? I don't know which year you are studying. Okay, if you are in third year, you should start your preparation because it's high time. Second year means a little bit relaxingly you can start. Okay, start with you can, if you are seeing by yourself, means you can study all the previous GATE questions. Okay, it may be available in internet. You can search for, if you are mechanical engineering or civil engineering or computer science engineers, you can search for last 20 year GATE question paper. Check the question paper. If you are able to follow it, that particular question paper, if you are able to answer, then you can go ahead with your own preparation. Or otherwise you have to depend some kind of training, so that they will be easily tell you how to study, how to prepare and all. Okay, so first the stepping stone for preparation is start doing your GATE questions, previous year GATE questions. Then only you will be getting an idea how questions are being asked. Otherwise you will go with the preparation like as your academics, normal engineering studies. That's entirely different way. The studies from in engineering college and studying for GATE preparation or any competitive examination preparation is entirely different. Okay, fine. Now what is the scope of computer science students in government sector? Computer science also much opportunities are there, but core companies are having very good opportunities. Computer science are also there. Out of the 75, I think around 30 or 25 companies, IT companies are also there. IT branches are also eligible, so you can go for that. Okay, so but I am telling if 75 companies electrical, civil, mechanical are eligible, means 50% of the companies IT are also eligible. Okay, fine. So next question, sir, how to prepare for GATE and ESE together? Fine. Again, GATE and ESE, almost it's a ESE is a kind of descriptive kind of examination. Okay, the preparation for GATE, you can start with preparation for GATE, and that will be your core. Okay, after that you can download the ESE engineering service examination syllabus, and some more extra subjects, general studies and all will be there. You can prepare for that. Okay, start with GATE subjects, and that GATE subject will be the 70 to 80% of the syllabus of engineering service examination. So solidly you prepare for GATE, then continue with your engineering studies. Fine. How much Cgpa? What is the question? How much? What type of okay? Okay, sir, Kerala PSC mechanical engineering coaching available. We are having coaching for all Kerala PSC engineering level examination. When the examination notification comes, you can contact us. How can I CSE student start GATE preparation? Again, CSE students, any branch student, you can start your GATE preparation with your previous GATE question solving. Okay, if you are not able to solve, get any experts help. Okay, fine. What type of job in PSUs for CSE like Java developer, web development and all? I don't know about, you may be already working. Okay, normally PSUs, if you are an IT company, if you are trying for if you are a software engineer and if you are trying for PSUs, they have their own set kind of work. We cannot define what kind of work you will be getting. That company, what is their expectation, you are supposed to do whatever their work you are supposed to do. It's not like you are supposed to develop in Java. There is nothing kind of Java developer post in PSUs. Okay, PSU, if any IT kind of requirement comes, you are supposed to do that if they are recruiting you. Okay, fine. What are the minimum requirement criteria to get a job like teaching, gaming, programming in abroad? So there is, for getting a job in abroad, mainly your experience matters. Okay, and your experience in particular skill. They don't value your degrees and all. You have a BTech degree, then doesn't mean that you will be getting a job in. So it's better to have some experience from India. Okay, and maybe in particular some technology, and you should be master in that, and you can try for that. Opportunities are there, much opportunities are there for IT engineers outside India, so you can try for that. Best GATE preparation book. You can search it's a book when you are asking, no? Actually, it's a difficult task to tell all the books. But anyway, if you can mention this question in our WhatsApp group, our faculties will be answering all the book names. Whether if it is computer science, I can easily tell because I am a computer science faculty. So every subject you have to study 3 standard textbooks. Okay, all the standard textbooks name I have to mention, and time is not there. In the WhatsApp group I will be telling you. Can you share the subjective preparation of biotechnology branch? Basically, I am not aware much about biotechnology, but you send a message in WhatsApp group, I will be answering that. Okay, I'll get some help and I will be answering that. Any free materials to start GATE preparation? Many free materials are available in the net, but getting the right one is very difficult task. We don't know. As a student, you may not be aware whether it is good or bad. N number of materials are available in the net. But anyway, you can contact us. If any good materials are there, we can give you. Fine. So sir, best GATE coaching books, that again it's a big long list will be there. 10 subjects means 30 books I have to mention. So you can send a message in our WhatsApp group, we will be sending the book list. Sir, how can I get job in DRDO and ISRO scientist? In DRDO, GATE is the criteria for getting a job. Otherwise, this ISRO, DRDO and all, they conduct their own test. Okay, then how to prepare for that test? You check the syllabus of DRDO, ISRO and all, okay, and start preparing for GATE examination. If you are second year, third year, start preparing for GATE examination. It will give you a much boost for getting a job in DRDO scientist or ISRO scientist. Syllabus and all will be exactly, or 90% or 80% will be same. Fine. What about the validity of GATE score? So, GATE score is having now 3 years validity. Okay, 3 years validity is there. So you can. Will it be helpful for PhD admission? Yes. So when you are going for PhD admission also, sometimes the faculties will be seeing that GATE score. If you are qualifying in the GATE score, definitely you will be getting added advantage. But PhD is having a different examination. Okay, it's not through directly GATE examination, but if you have GATE score, definitely you will be getting good advantage in IITs. I am in my third semester. How can I start my GATE preparation for EC? I already answered this question, but if you have further question, you can ask in our WhatsApp group. Fine. Now, once again share what is app group link. Which one? WhatsApp group link. WhatsApp group link we will be sending you. Okay, you please contact in this number. In the screen it's shown our number, office number. You can contact in that office number and give your number over there. They will add you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, our office number is given in the screen. You can see that. Okay, fine. NTU University providing MS course on data science. Yes, I am passionate on working data science. Then how can I achieve it? See, NTU and NUS, National University of Singapore, and Nanyang Technological University, both are recruiting for your MS admission. They will value your GATE score. So either through GATE score you can go, or through GRE score you can go. So it's up to you. If you are passionate with your engineering subjects, try GATE. Otherwise you try GRE. GRE also they are accepting. Okay, fine. Does my GRE means around 350 it is a score, around 310, 320 GRE score if you are getting, it is well and good, because many of my students who got 310 and all got admission in many of the reputed institute. You can remember that number, 310, 320 is very good. Fine. Does my Cgpa affect my placement? I already answered this question, I think. Sir, is there any chance for postponing engineering service examination prelims in 2021? Maybe, because we cannot predict anything now. Okay, because corona, nobody can predict anything. Okay, fine. 3-year validity means, can I get job with a last year GATE score? Sometimes company will tell this current GATE score is needed, but admission GATE at MTech admission you can get for 3 years, but job current GATE score, majority of the company, okay, current GATE score is mandatory. Fine. Now, sir, once we wrote GATE, entered job within a gap of 3 years with the same rank, can we enter for MTech? Within 3 years, anywhere you can apply. Don't worry. Okay, within 3 year validity is there. Anywhere you can apply. Can you please share the PDF of this presentation? Majority of the information I will be sending you the screenshots in the WhatsApp group. Okay, don't worry about that. Any of your other questions I will be answering through my WhatsApp group. Okay, be active in that WhatsApp group, or any kind of help you can contact us. Okay, any kind of mentorship you need you can contact us, any kind of training you can contact us. Okay, so I think that much only, all the questions are over. Okay, so we'll wind up. So hope you all enjoyed this session. If any further help, we are always ready to help you. You can just ping on us. Our number is mentioned on the screen. You can always call us. We are ready to help you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.